One special thing I really love about my neighborhood is that there are a lot of parties that the neighbors put on. And the 3rd of July and the 4th of July are no exception. Our neighbors put up jump houses, tents, tables, chairs. They put parties on the 3rd of July because our city has its Independence Day celebration on the 3rd rather than the 4th. Since the 3rd of July celebration moved to Grijalva Park, which is right next door to our apartment complex, we have an especially front row seat of the fireworks, all for free. And some people even line the walls of our complex and peek over at the show for free. I still paid my $7 for a ticket because I wanted the full experience. Honestly, this celebration has always been a bit cheesy, and it mostly consists of families having an opportunity to take their kids out to something, and all the city council speaks, and there are musical performances that are alright, and videos that are alright. This year was one of the better years for the event, but it still could have been even more exciting.
And I don't know about you, but it's a lot easier for me to understand what people are saying to me when I don't have to just read their eyes. I can see their lips and the rest. Right? My name's Mark Murphy. I have the supreme opportunity of representing my hometown, the city of Orange, as your mayor. And I want to welcome each and every one of you here tonight.
Put your hand over your heart. Repeat after me. I pledge allegiance of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, with liberty and justice for all.
This next portion of the event features Orange County District Attorney Todd Spitzer. This was perhaps my favorite part of the night. You may remember when the kid Aiden Leos was shot dead on the 55 freeway in the city of Orange. When I heard about that really pissed me off. And I remember fantasizing about things I might say to the killers on the internet. But then Todd Spitzer went on the news and he spoke out, and I really loved what he had to say.
The male pulled the trigger. We will catch you. We might not do it today. We might not do it tomorrow. It may not even be next week. And we never stop and never rest until we put the person into custody and get justice. For you. God bless you. God bless America. God bless the United States of America. I love you very much. Thank
you. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the 2021 celebration of Everyday Hometown Heroes in Orange. This past year has been unlike any other in over 5 generations as a new and deadly virus, COVID-19, spread across the country and the world, upending life as we know it. It created chaos in the economy and strained the capacity of medical resources around the globe. There was a degree of uncertainty that most of us have never experienced, as many even became fearful of family, friends, and neighbors. It strained the chain of manufacturing, supply, and distribution capabilities nearly to the breaking point. During these past months, so many people from all walks of life have stepped in and gone far beyond the call of duty. It would be impossible to list all of them. At the forefront, of course, are those who work so tirelessly on all fronts of the medical profession, including an army of people who worked behind the scenes. Then there are those who were not able to shelter at home, as they stayed on the job to ensure that food was processed and delivered. shelves stocked, harvests gathered, fires extinguished, and laws enforced. There were teachers who adapted to teaching remotely, parents who turned their homes into classrooms, as well as businesses and organizations that use technology as a substitute for in-person meetings. And let's not forget the caregivers who stayed on the job, those who made deliveries, and neighbors who helped neighbors. While there are so many who did so much, it proves that there can be a hero in every heart. Let's thank our hometown everyday heroes, past and present.
For the 4th of July, I went to a party hosted by a meetup group called the Downtown Dabblers. It was at a house, and I love house parties. After the party, we all went to a parking structure, and I launched my drone and captured this footage. Overall, it was a beautiful night. A couple of my closer meetup friends were at the party, which is one of the main factors that made it worth it. There were also some interesting games, and as I said before, I always love visiting houses. Ending the video here.